Yeah, I would agree with both what Crystal and Aaron said, that it's a journey, and patience is required, and where you think you might be by a certain date on the calendar is not necessarily where you will be, but there's a lot of rich learning that goes along the way. I think when I initially had started on this, I thought, okay, well, we got to block off this time for collaborative response. This dedicate this time. And then you realize that it's just collaborative response is all the time, right? And it's not something you pencil in on your calendar that this is going to happen at this time, but it's an approach of which you view all of the work that you're doing. So I think that's something that I would tell myself too, that it's not an event, but it's a process in which it kind of encompasses everything else that we do.
This question is brought to you by WeCollab. Designed by educators for educators, this comprehensive digital system aligns with the foundational components of collaborative response. Moving from conversation to action, WeCollab empowers classrooms, schools, and systems to provide the very best response for each and every child by informing action-based decision-making with data and evidence supporting student success.